spawned 6 BBs off the floor, I took the magazines. Yeah? Come on!
I'll wait till you left straight away. Sorry guys.
The bomb has been planted.
Either way, it's contested.
Making it a quick one here, boys. Guys, container on me! On me, yeah! Quick! All in there, Richie. I've got the bomb, we've still got the bomb on. What's that?
They started a fair ship this site.
Last week I was here.
No, like a month ago.
Yeah. No, I've not even been here. This is my second time back here in about 4 months.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, it might have been someone else. Maybe. Is any on bomb or? What's up?
The bomb has been planted.
Oh yeah.
Oh, well, that's... One of them.
So much. One down. Oh, Richie, yeah. That's it. Half of our team are in the fucking spawn. Oh, they're just in the spawn there. So. End it. Yeah, our full team are over at fucking spawn. He's just defending. There was a guy just doing that. I was like, what are you doing? Fuck. At the beginning, I hit the bomb.
That's so many people.
Attended, man! Go! Let's go fucking stage. Attended! On it there! Now! They're going to space us again.
Game's over.
Index!
Yeah, it's on deck.
I love this spot for the bomb. It's where we were last time.
I slid there and I got all four of them off it, and then our whole team was in the spawn. But then we had someone. Yeah. No, I've got flyers under. You can see me, Willie.